Nabuksan niyo na?
Amen.
John 3, verse 22. After these things came Jesus and his disciple into the land of Judea, and there he tarried with them and baptized.
And John also was baptizing in Ainon, near Jerusalem, because there was much water there, and they came and were baptized.
For John was not yet cast into prison.
Then there arose a question between some of John's disciples and the Jews about purifying.
And they came unto John and said unto him, Rabbi, he that was with thee beyond Jordan, to whom thou barest witness, behold, and see, baptizeth, and all men come to him.
John answered and said, A man receive nothing except it be given him from heaven.
Ye yourselves bear me witness that I said, I am not the Christ, but that I am sent before him.
He that hath the bride is the bridegroom, but the friend of the bridegroom, which standeth and heareth, rejoiceth greatly because of the bridegroom's voice. This is my joy, therefore is fulfilled.
He must increase, but I must decrease.
He that cometh from above is above all. He that is of the earth is earthly, and speaketh of the earth. He that cometh from heaven is above all.
And what he had seen and heard, that he testified, and no man received his testimony.
He that hath received his testimony, that saith of all his word that God is true.
For he whom God hath sent speaketh the words of God, for God giveth not a spirit by measure unto him.
The Father loveth the Son, and hath given all things into his hand.
36, sabay-sabay na tayo.
He that believeth the Son hath everlasting life, and he that believeth the Son shall not see life, but the wrath of God abideth on him.